So again, as I said a while back, I made a video and this green smoothie, Chef Shrimpy anti-inflammatory green smoothie, and then I did a nutritional breakdown of the same ingredients in the audio version. So if there is any one of my subscribers or viewers who hasn't watched that version of this recipe, you should go there and try it. Why did I do that? I learned and I know about the importance of nutrition to our body. Many of us eat, but some of us might not know the value of each individual food that goes into our body, what role they play, how our cells multiply, how our digestive system work. If I'm eating a piece of beef tonight, what should I use to accompany it to get a smooth digestion so that when I go to bed I can sleep well? Stuff like those. So this green juice, as I said, is my go-to. And what I use it for is to keep me healthy and mainly to keep my pH level above 7.